Cops probing killing of construction worker in Rockfort. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police are investigating Friday night suspected murder of a construction worker in Rockfort, Eastern Kingston. The deceased is 48-year-old Cadian Thomas of 16 Rosden Road in Rockfort. Reports are that at about 9:45 p.m. on Friday, residents heard loud explosions coming from Rosden Road and later found Thomas suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.